It is myself, talented Miss Stephanie. She and I are going to show you what we taught for our weekly class here on Thursday at Nick's Nightclub. Thank you for if you came tonight, guys. Remember, please subscribe for a free video every week. That's why we do it, to make you a better dancer. Sugar push here. The first 3 counts of this movement are walk, walk, walk. For the ladies, it's just walk, walk, walk. You use my right hand and my left hand to lead this, but primarily my right hand. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Now she's turned to her left on that walk, walk, walk. Going front and back to my silka. So go 1, 2, 3. Now she's on the right foot. Now I'm also on my right foot because what I should be is on the opposite count. But I'm going to go 1, 2 as I push her away, and I'm staying on my right foot for the 3rd count because I'm on her footwork to create that stretch and that lean into each other. So going front to back, just so you can see how you would execute that 3rd count here. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Really easy. That's the hardest part, is that stretch and maintaining the lady's footwork. Then from there, 4 for her is 1, 2, 3. Pull her up onto her left foot on 4. Now I should already be on my right foot on 4 based on the count of being on the opposite foot. So hold for 3 and then just stay there on 4. So after the sugar push, we're going to go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm pulling her up, leave my arm low, because of what you're coming up with in the next count. So front to back, sugar push, pull her through, 1, 2, push. Now I'm kind of taking her off the track, right, and then pull her back onto her left foot for 4. So we're going to keep this direction because of what's next. The next count's a triple for her and for the leaders. We're going to have that count. 1, 2, 3, 4, triple step. So I pull her forward and start to turn her to her left, let go of her hand, and pick up her middle of her back with my right. So after the sugar push, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, triple step. And as she's turning, I connect and catch her basically. I'm on my left foot, she's on her right foot. And then from there, it's just a regular whip. So after the sugar push, I'm going to pull her through, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Open up, walk, walk, triple step. She ends up on the other side of the track. That's where we begin. So sugar push. Lead this with your right or left. 2, 3, 4, triple step, walk, walk, triple. Front to back, just so you can see a different view of that. Remember, guys, get off the track. 1, 2, 3, 4, triple. Half turn. Now she's on the other side. Last time. Triple step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple step. Half turn. And there we go. Okay, you're springing her back to you on that 4th count, and that really is the part where the move gets its name. Thank you, my dear. Thanks, guys. Hope you sincerely like that move. I've been using that one for a long time, and I hope you do so as well. Thank you so much. Until next time, have a great week. Keep dancing.